So inside the Niagara system, I'll right click, add an emitter, and I'll take the fountain. So in this fountain, we have cleared all these modules till here. And now I will go in particle spawn and then initialize particle, and there's lots of things to cover. So I will not cover all these things in one video. I will separate create videos. So in this, I will just choose the lifetime. How does it work? So the first thing is lifetime mode, and this is random and you can make it direct. So what is this? How does it work? So let me just make a linear velocity, maybe 100, and delete the gravity. So now particle moving here, and I'll also delete this color. So it's not fading, it will just pop out. Okay, so these particles are emitting from this point and going this point. So this is actually taking the lifetime to move from here to here, and the lifetime is random. So if you make this direct, it will take 1 second from here to here. And depending on the speed, it will cover the distance. If you have more speed, it will cover the more distance. But the seconds, it will take only one to like delete. Okay. So this is the life, how long particle live in in your system, and then it will die. So before dying, you can do anything. You can move your particle, you can color your particle, you can animate anything in your particle in that duration. So basically, there is two mode. First is direct, which is just a one value. You can put 0.5, 1, to any value you want. Then the second is random, which give you two values, minimum and maximum. So if I put minimum 0.2 and maximum 2, some particle will die here and some will die here. So it is random between 0.2 to 2. Okay. If you have a direct, you can still use it random here. So any value, float value, integer value, you can use random thing. So in this case, this is float. So I will choose random range float. And now you have again minimum and maximum. You can like 0.2 and 2. So some particle will die here, some die here. And any value in this whole particle system, if you see that arrow, you can link it with something. So now you can link it with something, you can make a curve. So like if I use a curve, so depend if I use like here age, so we can also animate that. So initially the life is 1 and then life goes down. So it will show you particle for a short duration that will go. Okay, you can link it with anything. So this is very like basic and clear thing. What is life? I hope you understand.